Tired of spotty Wi-Fi and ready to connect the moment you land? In this video, we'll walk you through a super easy, step-by-step guide on how to activate your US Visa mobile SIM card, so you can start calling, texting, and browsing right away. First things first. Make sure you have your US Visa mobile SIM card package and your unlocked smartphone handy. An unlocked phone means it's not tied to a specific carrier and can accept SIM cards from other providers. Power off your phone completely. This is crucial. Now, locate the SIM tray on your phone. It's usually on the side and requires a SIM ejector tool. While you're often included in the SIM card package, or a small paper clip will do. Gently insert the tool into the pinhole and push until the tray pops out. Carefully remove your old SIM card and replace with the US Visa mobile SIM. Ensure the gold contacts are facing down and the notch on the SIM card aligns correctly with the tray. Gently slide the SIM tray back into your phone until it clicks into place. Now, power on your phone. Once it boots up, open your web browser and go to the US Visa mobile activation website, which is usually printed on the SIM card package or in the included instructions. You will be prompted to enter a few details, like your SIM card number, which can be found on the SIM card itself, and your phone's IMEI number. To find your IMEI, dial number 06# on your phone's keypad. It will pop up automatically. Fill in all the required fields accurately. After submitting the form, it may take a few minutes for your SIM card to activate. You should receive a confirmation message on your phone once the activation is complete. If you don't receive a message or encounter any issues, contact US Visa Mobile Customer Support for assistance. The contact information is usually available on their website. And that's it. You're now connected and ready to enjoy seamless mobile service in the US. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.